Right, ladies, good evening. Well, it's nice to see you this evening. My name's Ian, and we're going to do a little bit of magic for you tonight, if that's okay. What is your name?
Hadil.
Hadil, nice to meet you, Hadil. We're going to try something this evening with a Rubik's Cube. Okay, and this is a Rubik's Cube. Did you have one as a child?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too, actually. I was never any good at trying to complete a Rubik's Cube. I never could do it. Could you manage to do it? No, neither. But tonight I'm not going to ask you to sort a Rubik's Cube and put it back together. I want you to mix it up a little bit more than it already is. So please just mix up the cube a little bit for me, okay? That is fantastic. And whenever you want, all you're going to do is stop, okay? Whenever you get the urge to say stop, you will just stop mixing that cube. And you have stopped. Are you happy with that? Okay. Now, I'm just going to place it right there at fingertips. Now, Hadil, you might not know this, but there's 43 quintillion possible combinations on a Rubik's Cube. You've got a million, a billion, a trillion, a quadrillion, and a quintillion. It's a lot. It's like 21 numbers. It's a huge number. Okay. So you have to agree. There's no way I could know beforehand the possible combination you just made up. That would be impossible to predict, right? Okay. But earlier today, what I did, I actually took a picture of a Rubik's Cube. In fact, I took a picture of this Rubik's Cube, and I've got it here in my gallery. So if I show the phone, there we go. You can see there. Here's the gallery. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Up comes there's lots of different pictures, but as you can see today, I took a picture of a Rubik's Cube. Okay, we're going to click on that. Now, if that picture matched what you just did, that would be pretty impressive, right? So I'm going to click on that. Up it comes. You can zoom in. Really, it's just a picture. And now we're going to look and see if that somehow matches. Now we're looking for. We've got two whites and a white in the corner. Let's have a look. Oh, hang on. No, you've got two yellows and two red. If we just mix that round, I believe that side, two red, a white, orange, green, yellow, yellow, blue, green. This side you've got green, white, orange, two orange there, blue, yellow, you've got yellow, green, and on the top you've got orange, green, orange, yellow, white, 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 blue, red. That is a perfect match.
Woohoo!
Hadil, come on. Oh, that was impressive.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
How do you do it?
That is very impressive. It's very, very good. We'll just put those out of the way for now. Hadil, we're going to try something, of course, something else for tonight. We're going to use some cards, which I have in my pocket here. We're going to wrestle these out. My goodness, they're really in there. So, Hadil, what I'm going to ask you to do in the time-honoured fashion of card tricks. Okay? Very simply, I'm going to ask you to choose the card. Okay. So type in there, grab one of those. Oh, fabulous. Okay, Hadil, have a look at the card for me. Remember it. Shuffle it.
Shuffle it.
Thank you, I appreciate the effort. Show it to, what is your name?
Andrea.
Andrea, show it to Andrea as well. Okay. That's good. We have a random camera over here as well. You can show it to a random camera over here. Oh! Random camera. Did you get that as well? Yes, it did. Random camera is nodding. Okay, what I'm going to ask you to do is to just drop that on top for me. Thank you so much. And then what we're going to do, we're going to cut the cards, okay, and complete the cut to lose your card inside the pack. Now, Hadil, you're not going to believe this. One card is going to turn itself up instantly by itself in that pack. You're going to be so impressed. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's done. I know. If I take these cards now and spread them out, one card will now be face up in this pack. Spread through. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, well, ladies, we have one card face up in the deck, the Jack of Clubs. I never said it was going to be your card. I said one card would turn itself face up.
You actually did.
To be fair, I never said that. Thank you. But this is actually a key card.
Okay.
This is a key card. It means I have to count down a certain number of cards. Now 10 will be 10 cards, 9 will be 9 cards. Jack is actually 11 cards. Queen will be 12 cards, King will be 13 cards. But you chose it. So Jack, so it's 11 cards. So here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What was your card?
6 of hearts.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh!
the 6 of hearts. Ladies.
Very impressive.
I only use my powers for good.
Yeah?
It is true.
Spider-Man.
Now, because that went so well, and it did go well, these cards here are actually, you don't believe, they're actually a straight flush in diamonds. Watch this. Spread it out.
Oh.
that's not right, is it? Yeah. That's not really straight flush in diamonds. Yeah. Sorry about that. Never mind, it's okay, it's fine. At least now I can give you a ring when I do get it right.
What?
That is your phone number, isn't it? 07446 902178.
What? That's mad.
That is mad.
Yes, it is.
Is it actually?
There you go.
That is my number.
Woo! Blown away.
Mind blown.
Blown away.
Mind blown, I know. All right, we're going to try some.
That was insane.
Thank you. We're going to try some. I've just noticed you've got a bottle of water down. Could I? I'm a little thirsty. Can I just buy it for a second? If you don't mind? It's fantastic. You don't mind, do you?
No.
Ah, delicious. It is thirsty work. But it is a bottle of water, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly what it says on the tin. I'll just dribble a little out. There we go. It's a bottle of water. But seeing as we've got this, we're going to try something
Okay.
with the bottle of water. What we're going to do, we're going to try and change the molecular structure of water. Have you ever tried this before?
Never.
Never tried it. It's a very simple concept. Actually, can you Andrea, could you stand up? Let's try this. Take your hand, place it on top of the bottle, okay, and take your other hand and hold it on the other side. Good. I'd like you now to flip it over. That's it, perfect. Good. And can you hold the top of the bottle for me? Kind of like a claw. Don't squeeze, but just kind of hold it. Perfect. Now in a moment, you're going to hold here, and you're going to let go here.
And the water's going to go everywhere.
I know. But you never know. That's what we're going to do. We're going to try and change the molecular structure of this bottle.
Okay.
All right. And the water inside of it. So that doesn't happen.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to give this a go. Hold here. Let go here. On 3, 2, 1. Take your hand away. Oh. Perfect. You can even take a pen
What?
and put that straight up.
No way. Seriously?
That bottle of water. And just before we lose any more of that, we're going to cap that off. Please take the bottle, take it, examine it, take the pen out. It's exactly what it says it is. It genuinely is just a bottle of water.
That's mint.
There we go. Thank you very much. Oh, please keep going. Unless you drink, you might want to drink it. I'll have to buy another one. Fantastic.